What's up, my friend? It's Matt Little, Provo dating coach, and I'm a Latter-day Saint dating coach with Christian values, Christian standards, and I want to help you find the woman of your dreams through that lens, through a Christian value mindset. And today I want to talk about 3 ways that you can increase your luck or chances for success in dating. With St. Patrick's Day, I just want to share the St. Patrick's Day spirit, this green color, and I want to help you experience more luck and success in dating. So, you ready to jump in? Tip number 1, cast a wide net in finding attractive women. Now, let me tell you a story of one of my roommates. He was in his 30s. He was a little bit older than most of the guys in Provo, but he moved to Provo because he's like, I need to date more and I need to be around people that I could date. I need to find my wife. And I remember he was going after one girl and it didn't really work out and he was feeling discouraged, and we were talking and I told him, you know what, my friend? If you're feeling discouraged, just make sure you are doing your part. You being single does not mean you're a failure. It does not mean that you're not successful. It just is the situation right now. And that's totally okay. If you're single, do not feel bad about being single. What you should think about, and this is what I told my friend, I said, make sure that you are doing everything in your power, that all of your part in God's work, because getting married is part of God's work and starting families. That's central to God's plan. Make sure you're doing your part. And if you are, then you can feel good about yourself. And if you're watching this video, you should feel good about yourself because you are learning right now how to be more attractive to your dream woman. And that is so important and something to be proud of. So my friend, what he did is he went that night and he knelt down right outside of a church and he prayed to God and he said, Heavenly Father, I will do anything to find her. I will climb this mountain. I will go anywhere. I will do anything. I just want you to show me where I can find her. And you know what answer he got? He got this. Go cast a wide net. Wow. That was so empowering for him. So he was meeting people at church. He was meeting people just throughout his life. But one area that he wasn't really meeting people was online. And I know today that might be different. We're focusing online. Well, if you're just focusing online, I encourage you to cast a wider net to find many different ways to find attractive women to meet, to date, and have fun with. And so this is what my friend did. He started creating online dating accounts at a few different sites that he found. And I kid you not, within 24 hours, my roommate, he was chatting with his now wife. They have kids, they're married, and they're happy. And it's so awesome seeing that success that he had. All he did is he cast a wide net. So if you want to be more lucky and increase your chances, cast a wider net. Make sure you find awesome choices that you can date and then start attracting them. Tip number 2 is this. I love this one. This one was a game changer for me. I remember I would go on dates with a girl and I'm like, wow, she's so amazing. She must be my dream woman. And I would just focus on her. Now, tip number 2 is to date multiple women at the same time. And I'm not saying if you're in a committed, exclusive relationship, you have a girlfriend, to go date other girls and all that. I'm not saying that. If you have agreed to be in an exclusive relationship with someone, you should honor that and you should be respectful. But in the early stages of dating, it is so important that you focus on multiple women. And here is why. Women, they want it fast, but they love it slow. This is one of my favorite phrases. I'm going to say it one more time for you. Women, they want it fast, but they love it slow. And this really encompasses so many different areas of how a woman thinks. They want it fast, they want it now, but they love it slow. They love the challenge. Women are kind of like a slow cooker. If you go too fast, they're going to just jump out like a frog in boiling water. If you just put the frog in boiling water, it'll jump out. But if you slow boil that frog will stay in, and then it's going to stay in forever. And that's kind of how it is with women. You need to give them time. You need to slow things down. So if you're focused on one girl, you're going to start investing so much in just her. And sometimes you'll just go too fast for her. And so it's going to be way, way, way more attractive if you slow down and you focus on other women too. It takes a lot of the pressure off. She won't feel pressure from you anymore because she's like, oh, he's not just focusing on me. I can sense that. Women can sense it. If you are too into them and they're not sure how they feel, they're going to be like, oh, this is uncomfortable. It's too fast. They're going to jump out of that boiling pot of water because you have that boiling love or like for them that they're like, whoa, I'm not sure about this yet. They love it slow, my friend. So if you're focusing on other girls, you also have options. So if it doesn't work out with that one girl, she is not your only chance for happiness. You got to tell yourself that over and over again, my friend. She is not your only chance for happiness. There are other options. So find other women that you can date, that you can have fun with, and you can get to know them more. And focus in the early stages on having fun. That will really, really help your chances for success with someone and increase your luck. Tip number 3 is this: treat dating like a game. And what I mean by this is not to play games in dating. Sure, you can have fun and be playful. That's very attractive. So do that. Be playful and fun. But what I mean by treat dating like a game is like a serious sport like soccer, like basketball, whatever sport you play or whatever thing you take super seriously that's a game, treat dating like that. Let's take soccer, for example. Soccer, there's an end goal for the game. The game is, I want to score more goals than the other team and keep the other team from scoring goals. That's the goal of the game. Same with dating. You have goals that you're looking for. You want to date and marry the woman of your dreams, right? So you gotta start working toward that goal, just like you do in soccer. Now in soccer, there are rules, there are boundaries, there are techniques, skills, and strategies that you can implement to be better at the game than other people. And dating, there is competition in dating, just like a game. So you got to stand out. You got to be your best self. You got to be attractive. And so there are strategies and skills and techniques that you can learn that help you in the game of dating to win and to achieve your goal of marrying and forever the woman of your dreams. So another thing with soccer is that team, they have a coach. That coach helps them learn the best skills, helps them learn the best strategies. And you know what? If that coach is not helping them learn those things, the coach is doing it totally wrong. That's the coach's job. So you, my friend, in dating, you can get a coach. I got a coach. I sought out the best help and I learned the best strategies. And as soon as I started doing that and making that switch, wow, my dating life got so much better. I became way effective at dating. I started having so much fun. Instead of getting rejected all the time, I had a lot of success. And although 90% of the time it's not going to work out in dating, you can increase your chances of it working out. You can increase your luck by learning the proper skills and techniques. And guys, dating should not be a manipulation game. It's not about manipulating. It's about becoming your best and most attractive self, and it's how you present your most attractive and best self. That's what the skills and techniques are really all about. It's not about tricking someone or fooling someone. It's about being and becoming your best, most attractive self. And that, my friend, implementing the right strategies, skills, and techniques in all areas of your life is going to make you more attractive and more effective going to your goal of getting married and staying married with the woman of your dreams. So guys, if this was a helpful video today, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe so that you can get other awesome advice and coaching from me. And if you're interested in some one-on-one coaching, there's a link below in the description, as well as a free text guide with some awesome skills and techniques you can use to attract women. It's simple. Within 24 hours, you can have a lot more success just by implementing that texting guide. So, my friend, I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a lot of luck and success in dating. Go get it, my friend. It's Matt Little, Provo Dating Coach.